of Literacy with Miss Lee and Moby. Today's video is part 2 of the final sound. So if you haven't watched that previous video, I would recommend you to watch that first and then come back and watch number 2. So let's review really quickly. In last video, we learned 2 ways to spell that final sound. So we learned CK and we learned KE. So let me give you a word and you are going to tell me if we're spelling that with a CK or a KE, and I need you to tell me why. My first word is going to be bake. Are you ready? Give me the phonemes, so the sounds in the word bake. B-A-K, bake. So you hear that final K sound? We have a long vowel sound. So what does that long vowel sound tell you? How would you spell that final K sound? I'm waiting. While you think, I'm going to write the graphemes that correspond to those phonemes that we just sounded out. Think. B-A. I'm going to add the macron on top so you know that that vowel makes the long sound. So B-A. How would I spell that final K sound? Good. K-E. So in this rule tells you, this rule is in a word that has a long vowel sound and it ends in a K sound, that K sound is spelled K-E. Let's do another word. Let's do the word lick. Are you ready? Tell me the phonemes in the word lick. L-I-K. Lick. Let's think about that final K sound. Okay, I know it has a short vowel, so let me write the graphemes that correspond to those phonemes. I'm going to add that breathe on top of my vowel so you know that's a short sound. So, L-I-K. How do you spell the final K sound in the word lick? Good job. CK in this spelling rule is in a word that ends in a K sound and it has a short vowel, that K is spelled CK. So CK after a short vowel, KE after a long vowel. Really quick from last week's video. Well, boys and girls, there's 2 more ways that you can spell that final K sound. And I am here to show them to you. So at the end, you will know all 4 ways. And this word that I'm thinking of is picnic. Say picnic. Say picnic. Good. Tell me the phonemes in the word picnic. You ready? P-I-C. 6 phonemes. And it ends in a final K sound. So let me go ahead and write the graphemes, so the letters that correspond to my phonemes, the letters that represent my sounds. Ready? The word is picnic. Let me write my breathe or my macron, depending on what kind of vowels I have. So let me think. Pick, if. It's a short. It is a breathe. Nick, if. Also a breathe. Didn't we just learn this? Did we not just learn CK after a short vowel? There's my short vowel. Well, duh. Miss Lee, you don't even have to teach us. I already know that rule from last week. Let's read the word picnic. It says picnic, but unfortunately, in this rule, CK does not go after this short vowel, and I'm going to tell you why. In a word, actually, not any kind of word, in a multisyllabic word, meaning that it has more than one syllable. So in a multisyllabic word that ends in a k sound, that k sound is spelled with a C. So let's take the word picnic and let's clap the syllables. Are you ready? So let's say it. Say picnic, picnic. Say picnic, picnic. Let's clap the syllables. Picnic. 2 syllables. I'm going to write it down. And I just learned that in a multisyllabic word that ends in a final k sound, that final k sound is spelled with a C. Picnic. Now, just to help us out, I'm going to write a line, or I'm going to draw a line in the middle of both syllables. So let's clap them out. Picnic. Picnic. So that way you know it has 2 syllables, and because it has 2 syllables and it ends, oh, it has more than 1 syllable, and it ends in a k, that k is spelled with a C. Let's try one more for this rule. Let's try the word music. Say music. Music. Say music. Music. Let's count the phonemes in the word music. M, U, S, I, K. Music. Again, it has that final K sound. How many syllables are in the word music? Let's count up the syllables, but let's repeat the word first. Ready? Say music, 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 music. Let's clap the syllables in the word music. Music. It has 2 syllables. So according to this spelling rule, when there are 2 syllables, well, more than 1 syllable at the end of a word and it ends in a k, that k is spelled with a C. Let's write the word music down. Is it a short or a long vowel? Good, it's a long vowel, so I'm going to add my macron. Again, final C in a multisyllabic word, meaning that has more than 1 syllable. Now you try it. On the comments, I want you to spell the word attic. Say attic, attic. I want you to spell it in the comments below and I'll check to see if you're right. Okay, yeah. Finally, we are getting to the last way that we can spell the final k sound. So we already know CK after a short vowel, KE after a long vowel, C at the end of a multisyllabic vowel, and there is one more. Well, that's 2, but one more. Let's think of the word milk. Are you ready? Say milk. Say milk. Let's count the phonemes, the sounds in the word milk. L, k. There's 4 phonemes. Let's write these down. Ready? Short or long? Good. Short. Breve or macron? Breve. O. Now, how in the world am I writing that one? Let's see. Is milk a multisyllabic word? Let's see. Let's count the syllables in milk. Milk. Nope. So it does not end in the C. Is that a short vowel? Nope. Is that a long vowel? Nope. That's a consonant. So this spelling rule says that after a consonant or a vowel team, that final k sound is spelled with a K. Milk. Let's try another one. Let's do the word book. Are you ready? Let's count the phonemes in the word book. Ooh, k, book. Let me write the graphemes that go with the word book. This right here is a vowel team that we're going to learn later on, okay? So, a vowel team, book. In this rule, please remember that if the word if the word has a consonant or a vowel before that k sound, that k sound is spelled with a K. So boys and girls, those are your 4 spelling rules for the final K sound. Are you ready? CK after a short vowel. KE after a long vowel. K after a consonant or a vowel team. And whoops, I forgot the last one or the other one. The final C sound in a multisyllabic word, the final K sound, the final K sound in a multisyllabic word is spelled with a C. So there you have it, your 4 ways to spell that final K sound. So I hope you've learned something. Review both of these and then you'll be an expert at this rule. And that is a wrap. Gracias. And thank you for coming. I will see you. Actually, we will see you next week. Hasta luego.